Hey guys, it's your guy Atita Fitness. So today I brought you to Arizona and I'm going to take you through the rocks of Sedona so that we can experience together. I did this because of you guys, you know, I want to take you outside there, get to experience and adventure with me. So keep it here at Atita Fitness. If you are new watching this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribing button and let's go experience nature, experience all this together. So let's go to the wild. We are in Sedona and you can see all these beautiful rocks. I want you guys to explore with me, get to see these wonders of the world. I don't know why they are not recognized as part of the wonders of the world, but look at them. This is so beautiful. I'm here with my friends and I'm going to do the air balloon tomorrow, so if you want to watch us experiencing that, stay here. And if you're not subscribed to Atita Fitness, please go ahead and subscribe. Look at these logs, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm very excited. I'm going to take you guys through the journey and I hope you guys are going to do this with me so that we can experience the Atita Fitness adventures together. So keep it here. I'm going to show you around. This place here in Sedona is recognized to be part of the spiritual part of the US, where people come to do meditation, to do yoga, to experience the spirituality of what these rocks bring here. So I'm going to explain more in details. Name a better do. Guys, I'm so excited. This is the adventure of my lifetime. Some here, look at that log. This one, wow, I'm almost at the top of these rocks. Guys, this is amazing. If you ever find a chance in your lifetime, come visit Sedona. It's one of the best destinations. Spiritual, a lot of people doing yoga, and it feels great. So I'm going over. Let's go, Medford. I'll see you soon. Look at this, guys. So gorgeous. It's very, very beautiful. Sedona, we come here again and again and again. At the logs. Oh wow. Look at this cliff on this side. I'm going to hike all the way to the top. It's the top of one of the rocks. Look at this one. Then we have this one here. I can't go all the way to the top. Look at how amazing they are. Very beautiful. Guys, this is a dream destination. My friends are down there. You can see them. This is very, very beautiful. Okay.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? 'Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love. 'Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. rocking with you. You're as good as it gets, but you're so scared of real love.
Guys, I'm going to the chapel. Let's go check it out. It's a very famous chapel when you come to Sedona. Hello. It's a little church, so a lot of people are going to attend mass at 5 p.m. Let you know, guys, know what to expect.
So that means he's a servant. As a servant, he has to be waiting for the master. That's why Jesus is giving another example. Example of the master born for the marriage feast. In the Jewish community, the marriage is
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
Hey guys, it's late night. We are headed home. We went to this nice cute restaurant in Sedona, in one of the small airports that they have here. It was really nice. I saw a lot of helicopters. We are going to see if that's one of the adventures that we can do here. Again, looking at the prices and all that, and see how it's going to look like. Yeah, so we are on our way home. My friends are buying doing some grocery shopping so that we can go home together. And guys, look at this Audi. I like Audi cars. Look at this guy, so demure. It's my dream car. It's a Q7 Audi SUV. I like it. It's more like my dream car. I like Audis. That's why I have been driving the whole time, and for the next 4 or 5 days that we are going to be here, I will be the one who is driving. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to Atita Fitness. I can't wait to show you guys what we are going to do tomorrow. So keep it here, keep it at Atita Fit Farm. Please leave a comment.